Today we're taking a quick look at the new Godox AD600Pro II strobe light, the latest addition to the Godox AD family of battery-powered strobes. This all-in-one outdoor flash comes as the successor to the Godox AD600 Pro, carrying over many of the features we loved like long-lasting battery, high-speed sync shooting, and just overall being a powerhouse of a light. On top of these, Godox has made key advancements for a smoother workflow, added versatility, and a larger power output to enhance the user experience. The Godox AD600 Pro made a name for itself as a workhorse of a strobe that was both powerful and portable, making it great for both in studio and on location. The Godox AD600 Pro II follows in those same footsteps with the same high power 600 watts, fast recycle time of 0.1 to 0.9 seconds, and a whopping 360 flashes per battery life at that full power. Both of these lights also support high-speed sync at up to 1/8000th of a second. Now, here's where the AD600 Pro II has upgraded. The latest model has an increased power output of 10 steps from 1 to 1/512th power, all in the same 0.1 increments, allowing you to be incredibly precise and intentional with your light. They've also expanded their flash duration in normal mode to 1/11,760th of a second. However, this model also has implemented a new freeze mode to add a little extra oomph to capturing any kind of motion. This mode offers ultra short flash durations at up to 1/20,400th of a second, with the shortest recycle time still at 0.1 seconds. This is wicked fast. Whether you're trying to freeze water splashes in your studio or maybe capture your coworker running at the park, you will have more than enough power. In the spirit of versatility, Godox has also improved upon the modeling light, making it a 40-watt bi-color continuous light to act as a dual-purpose model or LED for video shooting, with color temperature ranging from 2800 to 6000 Kelvin. Adaptability in your equipment is so crucial when you're out shooting, so I'm definitely excited that Godox added this here. It also seamlessly integrates within the Godox ecosystem. You have 16 group options, which are now also color coordinated. Each group is assigned a color, which will show up on the body of the light, as well as the trigger. This is such an innovative way to easily identify which lights are within each group. This strobe is compatible with the X3 trigger in multiple camera brands, which can utilize their one-tap sync function. To use this, you simply tap the wireless sync on the X3 and choose the AD600 Pro II model for instant synchronization. To test out this light, we took it here to Astoria Park for an editorial-style track shoot to see just who's faster, our coworker Nick or the Godox AD600 Pro II. In the studio, we pulled in the Godox AD400 Pro as well as our fill light to catch some real fast motion with both the freeze and high-speed sync modes to photograph some water splashes here, and it did not disappoint. It was a workhorse of a light that can perform well in almost any shoot, from outdoor portraits to e-commerce to product photography or even your coworkers' athletic endeavors. Overall, the Godox AD600 Pro II is an impressive strobe that's able to tackle any shoot you want to take it on, whether that's in the studio or on location. We were impressed by the speed and power you're able to get out of this thing, as well as the long-lasting battery life, even on an incredibly hot summer day in New York. But what do you think of the new Godox AD600 Pro II? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Sam with B&H, and I'll see you next time.